Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you several ways to make money from your skill as a writer, irrespective of your niche, irrespective of the kind of writer you're doing, the kind of writing you do. So stay tuned, and if you're new to my channel, go and subscribe. If you have been viewing without subscribing, go and subscribe. And if you're a returning viewer who has subscribed already, you're welcome. I love you. So let's go on. There are several ways to make money as a writer. Yes, writing is beyond a passion. It is a very profitable skill, and the first way to make money as a writer is to offer your writing skill as a service. Offer your writing skill as a service. So it's important to master the business aspect of your skill. Don't just be I'm a writer, writing is my passion, I enjoy writing. Beyond using writing to ease boredom, there are several ways to make money. Maybe you do content writing, you do creative writing, you do copywriting. Offer it as a service. That's what I meant to say. Offer it as a service and get paid for it. Write for people, write for blogs, write for websites, write for companies, write copies for people, and get paid. Yes. The second way to make money from your skill as a writer is teaching people what you do. Yes, knowing how to write is enough. You've been a writer for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years. You've gotten a level of experience, so you can teach people what you know. Teach them so far what you've learned as a writer, the mistakes you made, and teach them for a fee. It doesn't have to be free. Attach a price tag to it: 2k, 3k, 5k, 10k, depending on the kind of audience you have. There are a lot of people willing to learn what you know as a writer. So teach them and stop sleeping. Another way to make money as a writer is to learn skills around your skill. Now, you do writing and then you learn content creation, you learn photo editing, you learn video editing. It makes you more open to opportunities, because you could manage social media platforms for people. You can manage people's YouTube channels, their Instagram pages, their Facebook page, their TikTok account, because you already know how to do it. You're already doing it for yourself. So even if they're asking for evidence, for proof, you can show them your page. You're already doing so much work on your own page. And the next way to make money from your skill as a writer is write a book. Yes, every writer can write a book, and writing a book is very easy. It's not hard, and you don't have to publish in print. You don't have to write a book of 100 pages. A simple book of 30 pages, 50 pages, 60 pages is as long as it is valuable. As long as it is valuable, it can make you money even while you're sleeping. Money can be entering in your account. Yes, so writing a book is another way to make money as a writer. When you write it, you can upload on Amazon, you can upload on Seller, you can upload on any of digital writing platforms and market it and get paid for it. That will be all for this video. I believe you learned one or two things. Catch you in my next video. Bye.